Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I want to give you an update on my No Paper Left Behind for April. So I have made some videos and I have an update on the stuff that I was able to make using one paper pad collection, and I used the Jen Hadfield Hey Hello collection. So I want to give you and show you some of the new stuff that I made. So we're gonna start with these scallop envelopes, and these are super simple. I told you I'm gonna try to make some memory decks cards, so I just used the die. This is a Stampin' Up die from years ago, and I just punched it using the Heidi swap. I was thinking maybe, I'm trying and hopefully I get better at it. But this is a scalloped envelope die, and then these are the ones that are not memory decks, but you can just put a message or some stickers, some flat goodies. And I was very consistent with using the hedgehog. This is what it looks like in the back. So that's that. We have it on frame. I was able to make one of these matchbooks. So these are just scrap papers from when I made the traveler's notebook. So these are the leftover remnants. And then what I did, I just stapled it and then wrapped it with paper. And that's how it closes. So this one is a good gift, or you can put it in your purse if you want to put some passwords, or you want to write down the address of your pen pals. It's up to you what you want to put, grocery list, etc. But I thought it's a good use of your scrap paper, and then I've stitched some of it, so I thought that was cute. And then I used some old Stampin' Up dies that I had when my friend Debbie was still a Stampin' Up demonstrator. So I just layered these. Butterflies. So it's very dimensional. If you wanted to, you can put a foam dot in here and you can make it dimensional for sure. So that's that. It's pretty much the same concept, just the die cut itself with a character, a sentiment, and done. So I thought it was so cute. If you want to put it on a package, isn't that pretty? You can use it as a bag topper or a decoration. It's very dimensional. Then this one is with vellum. Right, different shapes. I just used that. I thought it was so cute. You don't have to add the hedgehog if you want it to be a serious butterfly, but I thought since I had so much hedgehogs that I fussy cut, might as well use them all. Next one is my favorite, which is the coffee cup. This is a Tim Holtz freshly brewed coffee cup die from Sizzix. Super cute. And it's a good size too. And then this one too is so cute. This is the back part. How cute. And this is just the cardstock stickers. I put foam and then put a sentiment. Cute. This one is a cute one as well. And then this one is a very simple one. Okay. Next one is some mason jars. Okay, these mason jars, some of them I really tried because I'm really bad at making shakers. So I was inspired by Leica, my friend Leica Palma. I'm gonna put her link down below, because she sent me some memory decks, shakers, so I was so inspired, and then I just embellished it. I thought that was cute. If you put it on a package or a card, that would be so cute. Here's a blank one that I'm just gonna put in there, and then, you know, the recipient can decorate however or he or she likes. This one is another, and this you can put something inside. If you want to put money, you know, you can put things inside there. It has enough space for something. See? Then this one is a combination of a shaker, and a memory decks card, and a mason jar. So it's a shaker, memory decks, mason jar. It's 5 in the morning. I just came from work, but I really wanted to film this video. So pardon me if I'm a little bit slow. Right there. I thought it was cute, you know. I'm trying to be better at it. And then these, I really wanted to use the scraps that I had, and so I just made these. I don't know what they're called, but it looks like an award or like a medallion, you know. I don't know what it's called, like a ribbon, but I used the clock die from Tim Holtz. I hope you can see that. I just used some scrap piece of paper, and then I put some gold bling in the middle. That'd be so cute. There. Made another one. They're all made of scraps because that's the point of this exercise, is, you know, the no paper left behind is to be able to use a lot of your scraps to create outside the box, to create outside of your comfort zone. So I thought that was awesome. And then I also used this camera die. I did not like it very much. It looks like a camera. It's not really my favorite, but again, it's doing something that you're not used to or not always doing. This one, I'm not sure if I already showed you guys in a previous video, but I wanted to make some paper clips. Not sure if I showed that before, but again, these are scraps. And this is just an ephemera from the paper collection that I fussy cut. So I have more scraps, and I know that I need to make more paper clips. And then we were baking, me and my daughter, and I figured, wouldn't it be cute to make cupcake toppers? Wouldn't they be so sweet to put on top of a cupcake? Just imagine, like, this is a cupcake. Wouldn't that be so cute? So I made a couple because I used the cut-aparts. I had so many cut-aparts from the paper collection, and I really, really wanted to do something with it. So thanks, thank you. This one is not decorated, but it's okay. So yeah, hooray. You know, so many things that you can do with paper. I thought they were so cute and really simple to do, and you don't need a lot. But wouldn't this be so cute for on top of a cupcake? It would be a darling. And then this small one, super tiny. Okay, so that's done. I think I showed you guys the phone before, but not sure if I did, but I wanted to show you that. The phone. As you can see, we've used a lot of stuff. We've been able to make a lot of things just using one paper collection. This one is, I think, a vintage telephone from Tim Holtz. It's another Sizzix die. I'm sorry, I'm unsure if I've already showed you this. So I just wanted to make sure that you saw it, just in case it inspires something in you. And then this is the last part. Actually, I have a lot more stuff here that I sutured, but I'm still thinking of what to do with them. So these are, and then I have some bigger, see all the flags. So I started stitch them. Some of them I put on black cardstock just to start the process of the card making. So the last part is the these huge coffee cups, and this is a die from Tim Holtz that I got from Amazon. I hope you can see that. And then just imagine this on top of a card. It would be so fabulous. Let me get a card. Okay, this is a blank card. This is like a right there. Wouldn't that be so cute? Very simple. You just put this on top and you're ready to go. But this one is a memory decks version of it. That's that. And this one is another one, very floral, full of flowers. Wouldn't this be cute? Just put some foam dots, birthday card. And it's handmade. That would be so cute. A few more. This one is another cute one. I love this. It's so cute. And then the gold saucer. I thought that was so pretty. Here we go. So pretty. Isn't that pretty? I thought that was very pretty. This is another cute one, actually, friends. Just fussy cut flowers from the collection. The hedgehog hiding in the back. And it says, happy birthday to you. So pretty. Guys, I hope this inspires you to use your scrap stash. Take a look. Give a second look to your dies that you may have lying around. Because in this community, I feel like we just spark some creativity amongst each other because everybody's so creative and so supportive, and I love that. Everybody's so nice and supportive. This is so cute. Do what makes you happy. We are almost done, guys. This one is like an encouragement and a card. And then these sentiments, this specific sentiment I got from Simon Says Stamp. How cute. And just layers and layers of paper. Oh, I also have other versions of the camera, which is not really my favorite, but I tried it anyways. Alright, I think that's it for me for this week. I hope you had fun taking a look at what I have for you and what I've done with my one paper pad, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please follow the ladies down below who are also joining this month for the No Paper Left Behind challenge. This is a challenge initiated by Miss Daniella Hayes, and I hope that you support the ladies, watch them as well, and give them some hearts. Alright guys, thank you so very much. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And I hope that you found something that sparked some joy, sparked some creativity in you today. Have a wonderful crafty day. Stay safe, stay strong, and as always, have a wonderful crafty day. Thanks. Bye guys.